Hello, my name is Antonio, and in today's video, we will be discussing the structure and hierarchy of DNS. First, we will talk about DNS root name servers. They are the official contact of last resort of name servers that cannot resolve. A fun fact of the day is that there are 13 logical root name servers, and each server gets replicated numerous times. Additionally, it is important to remember that they are the top-level servers because they are the starting point for translating domain names. Lastly, it is important to note that they have global distribution and fault tolerance. Next, we have top-level domain servers, also known by the acronym TLD. TLDs are responsible for .com, .edu, .org, etc., as well as country-based domains like .ca for Canada and .uk for the United Kingdom. A big question with TLDs is how do they route queries to authoritative servers? This is done by TLDs working as a middleman, essentially, to guide queries from the root server to the specific authoritative server. Next, we have authoritative servers, which are an organization's own DNS server, which provide authoritative host names to IP mappings for an organization's host. Additionally, they can be maintained by organizations or service providers. Examples include GoDaddy, Amazon Route 53, and various Google DNS servers. Additionally, here's a diagram breakdown of the server levels that my professor has showed me. Now we will move on to iterated queries. I have a diagram here to explain the process, but to make it simple, it works in a continuous cycle, beginning with the client, which would be you. Then it begins an I don't know the answer loop to the root server until the answer is sent to the TLD server, then to the authoritative, and finally returns back to the client, which is you. Now we move on to recursive queries. Essentially, they start the same with your computer or device asking the DNS resolver for the IP address of the domain like before. However, it uses the DNS resolver to find the answer rather than pointing your device to another server. Next, it queries the root, then the TLD, then the authoritative all on its own before sending results back to you. Lastly, it is important to note that it makes the process easier for you as the client, but has much more workload and stress on itself in the process. Thank you. That will conclude this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.